for Stamp Anything. Welcome to day one of the September release previews, you guys. And really knocked it out of the ballpark with this release. Excuse me. So the theme for this release is Beetlejuice, and day one is the ghost with the most. The man himself. I will not say his name 3 times. I'll admit it's been a really long time since I've seen the movie, but I do know that it's still a very popular part of pop culture. So yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to share with you Beetlejuice himself. And then of course, all of the design team samples. Then tomorrow we'll see the second character, and then Friday will be the third character. If you're interested in any or part of this release, be sure to sign up for Stamp Club. All of that information is linked down below. 3 different levels. You can just get the stamps, you can get the stamps with the dies, or you can get the whole shebang. Every month we have 3 chibi characters with their outline dies, a word die, a builder die, and a stencil. And you get a really great discount, and you get discounts through the store, etc. So all of that information is linked down below, along with the rest of our social media, especially our Facebook group. That is the place to be. It's hopping. We've got videos, we've got lives, we have design team members sharing, we have Fannies sharing, so it is really a wealth of inspiration. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe because I'm trying to get us to 700 so we can have a giveaway. But other than that, let's head over to the craft table and I'm going to share with you day one of our September release. All right, friends, are you ready? Are you ready? I don't think you're ready for this jelly. All right, let's start with the stencil. This is the Web of Spider stencil. So you have 3 fun spiders and this huge web that they're building. I think it's so fun. It's gonna be so great on spooky cards. But I also thought this would make a really fun one for like Charlotte's Web. Like a Charlotte's Web card. That would be really fun because we do have that little piggy character from the farm release from last year. I think that would be really fun. So anyway, if you're not someone who loves Halloween or something, there's definitely other ways that you can get use out of this stencil. Next we have our word die, and this time it's spooky. And again, it can be campy, it could be soft and playful, it could be scary. I don't know if you guys have seen this pink Halloween trend going around where people have pink ghost and aqua and pastel ghost. And anyway, so it's a really fun script, and I hope we get some more words in this script. I absolutely love it. Our builder die this time is the Graveyard Builder. So got your accoutrements, and then this is a mask that was featured in the movie, and this is what goes with it. So yeah, if you're wondering what that is, so that is that. And then last but not least, we have the man, the myth, the legend, the ghost with the most, Beetlejuice. Isn't he colored so fun? I don't know if it's Kevin or Steven that are coloring the digital images, but they did such a good job. You can even see a vein in his forehead. Love it. So it says the ghost with the most and say my name. So he's really, really fun. And of course we have his builder die. So this month, there's not going to be very many design team samples in the videos. This got out to design team members super late, and it was too quick of a turnaround for people to get, for some people to get their cards done for these videos. So this is a good segue into reminding you that we have a Facebook group, and that is where you're going to find all of the inspiration that you've ever wanted or needed ever in your life for all things Stamp Anything. While you're there, be sure to say hello to Brennan. Brennan is our newest design team member, and all of his information, I believe, is linked in the design team group, the Stamp Anything group. And he has already had a live on his YouTube channel. So yeah. So don't forget, if you're interested in any or part of this release, you can sign up for Stamp Club. There are 3 different levels. 1, 2, 3. It's open to US, Canada, and international. All of that information is linked down below. So next Friday, I will be making a card with the items that you see here. If there's a particular technique or something you'd like to see me do, make sure you leave it down below. So yeah, I hope you're just as excited about this one as I am. I haven't watched Beetlejuice in a hot minute, so I may have to have a rewatch. And I'm sure Rob hasn't seen it. Rob's my husband, because he is Like, he had never seen the Goonies, you guys. The Goonies. What the hell? So anyway, yeah, I'll be back next Friday for cards, but I'll be back tomorrow for day 2. So don't forget to subscribe. We're getting close to 700. Once we get there, I'm going to have a huge giveaway for you. So yeah, anyway, that's it. I will see you tomorrow for day 2. Bye for now.